Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Thursday, March 31st, 2022. And you can see, man, the levels were on point yesterday. Drew out the ILC at the 50% golden zone and the 78.6%. Good money management got us through all the muck, right? And then we were able to take a trade. And, I say it all the time, I got to learn how to really hold these trades, right? I caught 60 out of the possible 200 pips that I could have caught, and it hurts. But you can see that price actually broke through, came back to the R2S that it pushed up from on Tuesday, right? Rejected this, took our sell down, rejected this, and pushed up about 200 pips. And yeah, that's what it used yesterday to kind of retrace back up to. Came back up to our 50% level, our 4-hour ILC that we took our sell off of on Tuesday, and rejected it once. Boom, came down during Asian, came up again during London, right? London Open, and retraced again back down. So, excuse me. The hard thing right now is I really don't see a clear trade. The only thing I kind of see right now is obviously we see support, 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 support. Now we can possibly see resistance right here on the smaller time frames. And you can see it's kind of basically right here. But I don't see too much. I'm not too sure, but it's kind of hard to say. And it sucks because US30 is doing the same thing. You could tell this key level right here has been hit multiple times. You could tell this level's been a key level, right? It's basically, damn, since Tuesday. It's pretty ugly right here. Is this how NAS looks? That's essentially how NAS looks, huh? Right, coming down. Well, look at that. You can see here, there's a good chance for price to kind of retrace up and keep it pushing, right? I'm gonna leave that right there. That's the 1-hour ILC right there. So let's see. Or I'm sorry, the 1-hour 50 EMA. It kind of looks good to continue up, but what I also see here is that there was a break of structure to the downside, right? So I want to get better at just following my rules and sticking to my script, but it does look good if we see a reaction right here. But it's really hard to say because you do the fib from here to here, and there's nothing really clear in terms of ILCs. I see this one, right? But that's like at the 20%, right? So maybe before open we get a little bit lower. See a little push. No, I don't think we're gonna see that much of a push. Yeah, I'm not sure we're gonna see much of a push right here. But we'll see right now. Truthfully, I like to take a sell once it comes back up to this level right here. This is the one for me. Maybe we see a possible retrace up and we could take a sell here. Something like this. 24 pips. And we could ride this down. I'd say to right here. Alright, possibly see something like that. We'll see though. I'm not sure I'm going to take the trade. We'll see how it looks once it gets there. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Give me a quick second. What do you see on here? Right back. Alright, I'm going to use the restroom really quick. This is kind of what I'm looking at right here though. This is basically what I'm seeing. Here's the 1 hour 50 EMA right here. You can see price is kind of sitting under it right now. Let's actually go to the 30 minutes, see what that's doing. Yeah, 30 minutes basically right there. Yeah, and these aren't clear IOCs, so we'll see. We'll see right now. But give me a quick second. I'll be right back. shit, that shit's moving. Damn, that shit's moving. I don't know if I want to take that. Man, let's see if it gives us another opportunity right here. Damn, that shit's flying. Honestly, I don't really want to take the trade right there. Let's see. Yeah, like I don't want to put a sell in right here, and I also don't want to put a buy in. Um, shit. I mean, it's coming down though. Shit, I guess we'd be up about 30 pips already if we kind of jumped into this shit. About 20, 25 pips. We jumped into it up here, but I just, um, that's not how I trade, so. But you know what? I think I might have did the fib. Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, I guess we missed the move right here. Nah, I don't have anything in right now, so I'm just waiting to see if there is something. I think, I mean, it's hard for me to say I'm looking for buys right here, but we know this level has a bunch of strength, right? Key resistance to support level. There's an ILC in here too, I think, as it makes its way down. Well, it's a big ILC, but it's right here. Like, there's a lot of strength at this level right here. Told that nigga like I told him before. I don't want to do it when the candle's this big, 15:56 to 35. But you can see it already came down, tapped this area, kind of rejected it. But I think what we might see is a possible breakthrough, and then we'll see it come back through and retrace up. Nigga, hold your applause. I bet my life on a dice shaker. She's still getting a little bit of, oh, there it goes. Long flights get my mind right. And you can see it's kind of pulling back right there. Self-inflicted homicide. Damn, honestly, I feel like I have to put in a trade right now, and that's not good because I really don't see much, right? Like, I mean, we could put this trade in right here because we've seen so much respect, but that's really only one confirmation, right? We don't have the EMA under us. We really, let's see if there's a 2-hour EMA maybe. 2-hour EMA's down here. But you can see it's a clear break, right? Even though we have this long wick right here. I mean, I guess it still has to finish, but we're essentially about to break it. And I mean, if we didn't break that, we've already broke these lows up here. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But I think the only trade is really to wait for the retrace. Possibly right here. Now, at this ILC. But we'll see. Yeah, I don't want to put any buys in right here. I know that. And see, that's what it does a lot right here, is it'll break through a resistance, right? But then it pushes up. And that's where it gets a lot of people on these breakouts. Yeah, you know what, guys? I don't think. That's a nice little rejection right there, right? But I don't really want to trade anything that I don't have multiple confirmations for. You know, that's where I'm kind of at with this. Victory to me is when you get your grind right. Yeah. Honestly, I think we're kind of on here wasting time. Not wasting time, you know what I mean? But I just don't think I'm going to take any trades today, truthfully. At least stop right now. I don't see anything clear to take. Now, obviously, we have a clear breaker structure now. Price hasn't broken this low, right? But the only thing I could think is it retracing back up. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna set up an alert once price breaks through right here. If it breaks through. And that'll give us cause to pause for entry right here. I mean, essentially we'd have like a 40 pip stop loss. And then we could take this thing down to the downside about like that. So I'll be looking for something like this. And yeah, I mean, we don't have to stay on here the whole time. I don't have any trades or positions taken today. And yeah, we'll see. Just it's another day, so we shall see. No trades taken today, at least so far, so we're going to wait for that retracement and maybe catch the sell down. Now we're getting a retracement back up, so let's see if we could catch that right now. Yeah, so right here, I was thinking about possibly entering right here, but I just, I mean, it's hard for me to say that just because I don't know where your stop loss is necessarily going to be unless it's super tight. So let's say we got in here. I mean, it would have to be like a 15 pip stop loss. And I don't see too many confirmations to take this trade. I think price should retrace back up here. So we'll see if it gives that to us. But I like this ILC matching up with this. So let's see if it gives it to us. And especially like that we, even if price broke structure up here, we definitely know it broke structure down here, right? This was a key level to break through. So now that we have the retrace, this is what I'm saying, and this is why I say like when a lot of traders take this trade at the breakthrough, yeah, you might catch like 26 pips, but you better get in and out of that motherfucker because it really could come into something like just a huge retracement back up. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think that'll be kind of tough for me to take those trades. I mean, I don't shit on anybody who's doing that, but on US30, NAS, these indices, I don't think it's smart to do, is what I'm saying. So we'll see if it gets back up here. I have my alert set. Yeah, I mean, let's just wait. I'm gonna hop off now, just because there's a good chance we might not make it up. So I'm gonna hop off now, but here's some free game. If you're on here, you're listening. There's a trade I'm gonna take today, if it makes its way back up to this level, and we'll see if the entries go ahead and allow us to do so. So let's get to it, man. Thank you. You guys have a good one.